Okay, hello, good afternoon, my dear students. I wish you a happy new year. Everything's very successful for the new year. Please remember that English is very important. Happy New Year. Que tengan un hermoso año, queridos estudiantes. Today we are going to make a review about the last class. Remember, we were checking about illnesses and symptoms. Yes. Así que vamos a hacer un breve recuerdo de lo que estábamos viendo la clase anterior, que fue virtual también, que hemos trabajado, espero que ya estemos trabajando en el libro también, en el book, en el student book, para que todo nos vaya bien, para no atrasarnos, okay? So we are going to start with a review about illness and symptoms. Remember when you are going to use age, that is ache, so maybe we are going to say here, backache, earache, dolor de oído. Remember, headache, stomachache, toothache, cold, cough, fever, flu, sore throat. So here you have some symptoms and some illnesses that you have to meet. Then here you have some common remedies. También vimos con ustedes son remedios comunes que pueden ustedes utilizar o dar una recomendación también, okay? So maybe we are going to say here common remedies and we are going to review. You have here chamomile tea, cow syrup, chicken soup, cold medicine, eye drops, aspirin, antacid, nasal spray, and ice pack. Remember, so maybe you are going to give you, if you have a person that have a pain or an ache, for example, I have a headache, so maybe I'm going to say, you give me your recommendation. What is your recommendation? ¿Cuál es tu recomendación? ¿Qué debería hacer? Remember. Okay? Thanks. We are going to continue today with the first class of the year. Imperatives. Remember, what is an imperative, teacher? Vamos a ver qué son los imperativos. What is an imperative? An example. The sentence which is used to convey a command, a request, or forbiddance is called an imperative sentence. This type of sentence always takes the second person, you, for the subject, but most of the time the subject remains hiding examples. Bring me a glass of water. Don't ever touch my phone, okay? So, verbos en inglés imperativo. Stop what you are doing now and read this post. ¿Ok? Nos sirve, como dice aquí el imperativo, es un tiempo verbal en inglés usado para expresarse, una orden, una petición, dar una instrucción e incluso para aconsejar a alguien. ¿Cómo se utiliza? What is the rule? Rule imperative in English, ¿cómo se da una orden? ¿Ok? Para utilizar el imperativo del inglés solamente tienes que aprender una regla gramatical. Tienes que utilizar el verbo en infinitivo, pero sin el to. Para una orden en afirmativo o con el auxiliar don't si la orden es negativa. For example, here you have some examples. Imperative to use give a direct order or command. Yo doy una orden. Por ejemplo, estamos en clase, so maybe we are going to say you, stand up please. Ok, miren, no utilizo un sujeto, no digo, please you stand up. No, sino voy directo. Stand up please. Ok, here you have another. Wake up now! In the morning, you have a school, please. Wake up! Come on, hurry up! Apúrate, te atrasas, te deja la buceta. Come on, wake up, okay? Imperative to use giving a warning, prohibition. Watch out! Don't touch me. ¿Ok? Han visto que algunas veces uno entra a un hospital y pues se encuentra con letreros que dice do not enter, ¿yes? Esos son los imperativos que te dan una instrucción, una orden que no deberías hacer eso. Don't use the cell phone in class, for example. Don't eat in class. Miren, directo, no utilizamos sujeto. Imperative to use giving an advice. Don't be panic. Don't eat too much because you are so fat. You are going to hell. You are going to give a pain. Yeah, so maybe you're gonna go to the hospital because you're very fat. Okay, so maybe we're going to continue here. Imperative to use giving an instruction. Go straight here, the round left. Take the pill after a meal. Here we have an instruction. For example, if you are ill, if you are sick, You are sick. If you are going to go to the doctor, you visit the doctor, you ask him there are some recommendations. So maybe you can say here, the doctor is going to tell you, please take the pill. Please rest. Take the lemonade. Okay? So maybe it's necessary to take into account. And here you have imperative to use giving a request. Please don't go. Un requerimiento. Please reconsider. Let me alone, please. And all of these are imperative. Remember, please close the door. Please close the window. Ajá, please don't touch this. Claro que podemos aquí también agregar un poco el verbo, la palabra please, que significa por favor. Con estos ejemplos que te he dado y un poco de gramática, podemos ya trabajar en el libro. Podemos continuar en la parte donde nos quedamos, que es la página 82 de Student Book. So here you have a grammar focus. What is a grammar about? The grammar is about imperatives. So maybe we are going to use here. Now, look at this. Here you have some grammar. Here you have some examples. Get some rest. Drink lots of juice. Take one pill every evening. Don't stay up late, please. It's very dangerous. So maybe you are going to go to the party and your mom say you, don't stay up late. No estés tan tarde, por favor. Don't drink soda. It's bad for your health. It has a lot of sugar. Okay? Don't work too hard. You're gonna be ill. Te vas a enfermar. Okay, so maybe we are going to use all of these exercises that you have. Complete the sentence, use the current form of the verbs. In the book, please work on the book, complete this activity that you have on the book. Yes, complete. Use the verbs that you have here in the box, call, stay, not go, not drink. For example, you have here not drink, the imperatives always is going to be don't drink. Yes, not to go, don't go. Ese es el imperativo. Recuerden, utilicémoslos aquí, completémoslo en el libro para poderlos socializar el día sábado. ¿Ok? And here you have, write 2 pieces of advice for each problem. So what you are going to do for each problem? So maybe we are going to complete. For example, my felt heart. Tengo un dolor de pie. ¿Cuáles serían las recomendaciones? The possible recommendations que usted dé. ¿Cuál sería una recomendación? I have a sore throat. Yes, I have a sore wrist. Sorry. Tengo un dolor en la muñeca. Man, me duele la muñeca. ¿Cuál es la recomendación que usted me da? Puede utilizar, acuérdese, common remedies o you can give me another recommendations. For example, go to the doctor, visit, take pills. I don't know. Write, please. Write here the examples that you have on the book. Okay, that is the grammar about imperative. Remember the imperatives. It's very important that you have to read very well the rule. ¿Ya? Imperativo en inglés solamente tienes que aprender una regla gramatical. Tienes que utilizar el verbo sin el infinitivo. Remember this, okay? Call your mother, okay? Take care, be careful. Remember all of this. Muy bien. Y también es importante la finalización de este video porque aquí tenemos un deber que lo vamos a completar. Lógicamente ya se lo subirá en la plataforma and we are going to complete this activity. Okay, so maybe you're going to complete the activity about imperatives. So in this case you have any affirmatives and negative sentences, so maybe we are going to complete. For example, number 1, how you are going to complete? ¿Cómo lo vamos a completar? Look at the verb. Here you have to be, yes? So we are going to complete this exercise with the verb that you have here, to be. How will be this? ¿Cómo sería el ejercicio aquí? To be careful not to fall down. Now you are going to say here, be careful. Okay? Be careful. Ten cuidado. Not to fall down. Yes? Don't fall down. Don't fall down. Be careful. Ok, vamos con el segundo. Dice, not to cross. Don't cross the street on the red light. Be careful, tenga cuidado, no cruce en el semáforo. Muy bien, y así vamos a ir completando cada uno de ellos, fijándonos en los verbos que está en la parte derecha. Ok, thanks for watching, dear student, this important video about the continuation of the class. Please continue with the activities, and please work on the practice book, on the workbook. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Have a very good and spectacular and great and amazing and awesome year. Happy and new year. Thank you very much. See ya on Saturday.